Scientists say for the first time in history, they have proved that the remains of a small meteor came from outside our solar system.
In recent times, significant advancements have occurred in the realm of astronomy. These breakthroughs encompass the detection of the farthest celestial bodies and galaxies through the James Webb Telescope, as well as the identification of potential indicators of extraterrestrial life beyond our planet. These developments mark a transformative phase in the field of space science. As we have seen, a few days ago, Harvard physicist Professor Avi Loeb and his team were claiming that they had found something in the ocean that came from another solar system, and Avi Loeb also received many criticisms for this claim. But finally, Avi Loeb proved it and shut everyone's mouth.
Right. Well, Avi Loeb, congratulations on the conclusion. I look forward to hearing more information about whether or not we think this was natural or made by something. A lot of people mocked you for studying this and thinking this might have been from outside the solar system, and tonight you proved them all that you are right. So congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.
And I would argue also that it's easier to get that information from the bottom of the Pacific Ocean than from politicians in Washington, D.C.
Oh, my goodness. You are so right. I think a lot of people might agree with you.
Now, many scientists have come in support of Avi Loeb's new discovery. Planetary scientist Humberto Campin said he agrees with controversial Harvard physicist Professor Avi Loeb's sensational claims that alien material has been found for the first time on Earth. But what they found out about that alien object is shocking. Well, they didn't just find one object, they also discovered several smaller pieces that are entirely of alien origin. After testing these objects in the lab, scientists are claiming that whatever this object was, it was big and burnt as soon as it entered the Earth's atmosphere. Well, even before NASA had confirmed that the object has interstellar origin, according to NASA, the meteor lit up skies near Manus Island, Papua New Guinea, on January 8, 2014, whilst traveling at more than 100,000 miles per hour, and it may have showered the ocean with interstellar debris. Remarkably, some scientists have even ventured to declare that the majority of the constituent elements within this entity trace their origins back to the Proxima Centauri star system. This revelation has cast a profound doubt on the potential for life within the Proxima Centauri system. To delve more deeply into this extraordinary find, let's examine why experts believe this strange object may be an alien Voyager spacecraft from our nearest solar system, which offers intriguing clues that intelligent life could exist there.
Other space rocks recognized by NASA over the past decade. So that raises the possibility that it may be a Voyager-like meteor. Imagine Voyager colliding with a planet like Earth and burning up in its atmosphere. It would look like a meteor with an unusual material strength and unusually high speed because of its propulsion. And so what we want to figure out ultimately is whether it was technological in origin.
Right.
But to figure it out, we need a bigger piece of the object.
Before we move on to this amazing discovery, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's start this amazing journey. Proxima Centauri is not visible to the naked eye, yet it holds significance as one of the prominent stars in the night sky. It forms a part of the Alpha Centauri star system, which comprises 3 well-known stars and stands as the nearest stellar neighbor to our Sun. Among these stars, scientists assert that Proxima is the closest to our Sun, located at a distance of 4.22 light-years. Astronomers have identified 2 planets orbiting Proxima, and it is noteworthy for its frequent solar flares and the intriguing possibility of being the origin of an enigmatic radio signal. However, recent revelations from Harvard University scientists have revealed that the interstellar object found in the ocean may have been a Voyager spacecraft of Proxima Centauri origin that entered Earth's atmosphere and ultimately crashed into the ocean. Subsequent investigation found remains of this object within the ocean, with conclusive tests confirming its extraterrestrial origin beyond our solar system.
And we found, as you said, the 700, brought them back to Harvard University and used the best instruments the world has to offer to analyze their composition. And lo and behold, we found that they have an abundance of several elements that is far beyond what you find in the solar system. These elements include beryllium, lanthanum, uranium, and some other heavy elements at an abundance that is hundreds of times more than solar system materials. We compared it to what you find on the Earth, the Moon, Mars, anywhere in the solar system, and nothing like it was seen before.
Loeb acknowledges that this is the most likely explanation, but he isn't ruling out the idea that the spheres are proof of higher intelligence. This is a historic discovery because it represents the first time that humans put their hand on materials from a large object that arrived to Earth from outside the solar system. On the other hand, Avi Loeb's discovery has also faced some counter-arguments. Professor Michael Garrett of the University of Manchester said that, "I really admire Avi's enthusiasm in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, but I'd be surprised if this recent effort is going to produce conclusive evidence that extraterrestrial spacecraft re-entering or crashing on Earth are responsible for these spheroids. I think it's unlikely any extraterrestrial spacecraft have crashed here or indeed elsewhere in the solar system." Dr. Matthew Genge of Imperial College London said he was very skeptical about the alleged discovery. However, Dr. Genge did caution that it was not possible to entirely dismiss the findings because Professor Loeb's results have not been published in their entirety. "I would be delighted if this was all evidence of aliens. It would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. In recent times, there has been a lot of discussion among scientists about the existence of alien life in our universe. Scientists around the world are involved in these findings. This fascination with aliens has gained momentum, especially after a startling revelation from former National Intelligence Officer David Grush. In his statement, Grush asserted that the United States government had discovered and concealed evidence of extraterrestrial life for many years.
If you believe we have crashed craft, stated earlier, do we have the bodies of the pilots who piloted this craft?
As I've stated publicly already in my News Nation interview, biologics came with some of these recoveries, yeah.
Were they, I guess, human or non-human biologics?
Non-human, and that was the assessment of people with direct knowledge on the program I talked to that are currently still on the program.
This declaration has ignited widespread discussions and debates among the general public regarding the possibility of alien existence. The recent discovery marks a significant turning point in astronomy, shifting the focus from the broad view provided by telescopes to a microscopic examination of what lies beyond our solar system, ushering in a new era in this field. Interstellar objects hold immense fascination for astronomers due to their potential to offer insights into solar systems beyond our reach. To date, only 3 such objects have been documented. The initial discovery in 2014, IM-1, Oumuamua, identified in October 2017, and Comet Borisov, found in August 2019. Professor Loeb garnered attention for his daring hypothesis, suggesting that Oumuamua might have been artificially crafted by extraterrestrial beings. Alien hunters at SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence based at Berkeley University, California, said there was a possibility the rock was an alien artifact. But scientists from Queen's University Belfast took a good look at the object and said it appears to be an asteroid, or planetesimal, as originally thought. Researchers believe the cigar-shaped asteroid had a violent past after looking at the light bouncing off its surface. On the other hand, 2I/Borisov stands out as one of the most unaltered comets ever observed by scientists, as announced in 2021, signifying its pristine nature, untouched by the heat and radiation typically encountered in the vicinity of stars like our Sun. Well, after all, recent discoveries about the existence of alien life have been a matter of debate. It is possible that all these things which we are considering as alien spacecraft are not of any alien civilization, but they are just a comet. But our research shows that these objects are not something from our solar system. What we have seen are of alien origin. Our universe is infinitely large. Scientists believe that aliens exist beyond Earth, and we humans are unable to contact them right now. We hope to get in touch with him in the future. Until then, keep enjoying our videos.